Hi, I'm Cinnamon Linkus. I'm going to be telling you about some devastating facts of global warming. Global warming is when the Earth's average temperature of the near-surface air and oceans increase. According to the Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Change, IPCC, the beginning of the 20th century to the end, the temperature has escalated 0.2 plus or minus 0.6 degrees Celsius, which is 32.36 to 33.08 degrees Fahrenheit. That's almost an entire degree warmer in a 100-year span. This jump in temperature has been the largest increase in the global warming phenomenon. The surface temperature is projected to rise another 2 to 11 degrees Fahrenheit during the 21st century. This will make the 21st century by far the worst year in temperature rises. This predicted jump in temperature is due to the amounts of greenhouse gases depleting the ozone layer. This warm weather is causing glaciers to melt, which causes the sea level to rise, which is flooding the outskirts of every continent. Needless to say, we may have a new favorite beach vacation spot in the near future. And because the Earth is becoming hotter, the ice caps are melting. Scientists say polar bears are expected to become extinct in the next 50 years. By limiting the use of our greenhouse gas use, we could be doing the planet a wonderful thing. Greenhouse gases are mostly the cause of global warming. Greenhouse gases are gases in the atmosphere that absorb and emit radiation within the thermal infrared range. The process of the greenhouse gases is called greenhouse effect. Some greenhouse gases are naturally occurring, like water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Some of the ways that humans are killing the planet are burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, which causes higher carbon dioxide array. Livestock gastric fermentation and manure management account for some of the methane atmospheric concentrations. Agriculture industries are a lead in the nitrous oxide emissions. Another problem with global warming, although not as damaging as the greenhouse gases, is solar variation. Solar variation is the change in the amounts of total solar radiation and its spectral distribution. Scientists have determined that solar variation isn't a huge part of the Earth's temperature rising, but is still a factor. Aerosols have a big impact of the greenhouse gases that are heating up the planet. A few naturally produced aerosols are from volcanic eruptions. The aerosols the eruptions create exert a cooling effect by increasing the reflection of incoming sunlight. The volcanic eruptions produce halide acid, which is also terrible for the ozone layer. Even aerosol hairspray is causing the ozone layer to diminish. The chlorofluorocarbon, CFC, is the main pollutant in the hairspray. Since most of the damage comes from us, there are plenty of things we can do to stop global warming from going any further. We can eat more organic foods, since pesticides are extremely harmful to the earth. We can go green, use more earth-friendly chemicals. Recycling is a huge deal in saving the planet. Every time pollution makes its way into the ocean, it starts deteriorating, and it causes harmful chemicals that travel up to the ozone layer and deplete it. If you live close to work, try walking or even riding a bike. By walking or riding a bike, you cut out terrible car emissions that are terrible for our Earth, obviously, and our health. Walking or biking improves your overall health too, so why not get fit and get healthy? If we don't shape up anytime soon, our Earth isn't going to be a great place to be. Matter of fact, I don't think our Earth will even have any kind of habitat, except for the roaches, because they can live through just about anything.